We shall now see how Instagram ads work. With a community of more than 400 million, Instagram has become one of the world's largest mobile ad platform. Businesses can now share their stories with a highly engaged audience in the most creative and high quality environment, which can be driven through ads. Instagram ads were earlier not available to audience globally, but now, since some time, Instagram has rolled out the ad feature for all the users and businesses in the entire globe. Instagram now provides an end-to-end advertising solution which will help you drive your business results. These ads will help you increase your awareness about the brand, any message that you need to share across with your audience, get visits to your websites, or get downloads of your mobile app. Instagram ads are run with objectives like getting clicks for the website, getting website conversions, getting app installs, getting the engagement on the mobile app that they have, generating views for the videos that they publish. Instagram ads are also used to widen the reach and frequency of the content that is delivered to the audience, to drive engagement on the posts made to the page and the account, and most importantly, to drive mass awareness. There are 3 types of Instagram ads available as of now. The first one are the plain photo ads that are similar to Facebook ads. The second type of ads are the video ads. Earlier, Instagram only allowed 30-second videos to be published on the platform and also advertised. But now you can also advertise and publish videos up to 60 seconds. The third type of ads are similar to Facebook multi-product or carousel ads, where you can have different product images which can be seen by the audience by just scrolling from left to right. To run Instagram ads, a business needs to do that through Facebook ads. As we all know, Instagram is a sub-product of Facebook, and Facebook as a company has made Facebook ads as one of the key destinations from where you could run ads for both its product, that is Facebook platform, and Instagram.